In many foundries, critical data is still collected by hand. Production metrics are handwritten. Maintenance doesn't know what to fix or when. Quality lacks visibility into process parameters. Planning can't even answer how many molds did we make, and there's no easy answer to tie it all together. That's where Sinto Smart Foundry comes in, a scalable Industry 4.0 solution that combines Sinto's foundry expertise with Beat, an intelligent manufacturing platform to connect your people, machines, and processes. From cycle counts to complete operational intelligence, Sinto Smart Foundry turns data into action. You gain real-time visibility across your operation, machine health in real time, with trends and alerts that help prevent unplanned downtime. Your data is captured, stored, and connected, creating a traceable record of everything on the plant floor. Reports are generated automatically, and AI-driven insights help your team act faster. The result? You save time, reduce complexity, and cut operational expenses. Sinto Smart Foundry works for operations of all sizes, whether you're running one line or many. It's a scalable solution that grows with your plant, providing the right tools for digital transformation, no matter where you start. With Sinto's team guiding implementation and providing ongoing support, it's easy to get up and running, and even easier to keep improving. Your data is continuously monitored by Foundry experts, and remote diagnostics help you stay ahead of issues before they become problems. Sinto Smart Foundry helps you make better decisions, faster, real-time data, real results.